the dark won't keep the light from getting through. We do. Do you wish that you could see it all made new? We do. Do you feel the world is broken? Do you feel the shadows deepen? Do you know that all the dark won't keep the light from... It's the whiteboard method. I have letters on here and different way of learning. And if you've struggled with reading music notation, but you feel you're still talented, you love music, this will probably work for you because that seems to be the formula that works for people.